Google is gearing up for something big with the Pixel 10 series. If you've been following the evolution of Google's smartphones, you'll know that the journey started with the Nexus lineup. Back then, Google partnered with various phone manufacturers like HTC, LG, Motorola, Samsung, and Huawei, handling the software while the hardware was designed by its partners. But in 2016, Google took full control and introduced the Pixel series. Since then, we've seen a range of innovations. The Pixel 4 series brought in a 3D facial recognition system similar to Apple's Face ID and introduced Motion Sense, a radar-powered gesture control feature. However, the Pixel 5 shocked many by shifting to a mid-range design, leading some to question whether the Pixel lineup was on its way out. Then came the Pixel 6 series, which marked a major shift. Google aimed to compete directly with the iPhone, introducing a new camera bar, AI-powered features like the Magic Eraser and a periscope lens on the Pro model. It was also the first Pixel to be powered by Google's in-house Tensor processor, although it was based on Samsung's Exynos architecture with some customizations by Google. Now with the Pixel 10 series, Google is taking things to the next level. The biggest change? The new Tensor G5 application processor. This time, it won't be based on Samsung's Exynos chips. Instead, Google is fully designing the chip in-house, using its own ARM-based architecture. To make things even better, the Tensor G5 will be manufactured by TSMC using a cutting-edge 3nm process, moving away from Samsung Foundry's chips. What does this mean for users? First, performance improvements. The Tensor G5 should be more efficient and powerful, thanks to the superior manufacturing process and Google's optimizations. But there's one challenge. By moving away from Samsung's chips, Google will also lose access to Samsung's image signal processor, ISP. The ISP is responsible for processing raw images from the camera and turning them into high-quality photos. To fill the gap, Google is developing its own ISP, which, if done right, could work even better with Google's AI, CPU, and GPU, potentially leading to groundbreaking camera enhancements. And there's another major improvement that was recently discovered. A Google engineer's notes found in the Android open-source project code reveal that the Pixel 10's boot-up time will be 30% faster than before. If you're getting the Pixel Fold version, the improvement will be around 25%. While the exact details aren't clear, these optimizations show that Google is making serious progress in performance and efficiency. So, when can we expect to see the Pixel 10 series in action? Google usually unveils its new Pixel devices during its annual developer conference, Google I/O, in 2025. The event is expected to take place in May, which means that's when we'll get our first official look at the Pixel 10 lineup. With Apple's WWDC scheduled for June 9th to June 13th, Google will likely want to make its announcements before then. But the big question remains, what exclusive features will the Tensor G5 bring? Google has always focused on AI-driven features, so it's possible we'll see new AI capabilities that set the Pixel 10 apart from not just other Android devices, but also previous Pixel models. Whether it's smarter AI-powered photography, advanced on-device language processing, or unique software experiences, the Pixel 10 series could redefine what Google smartphones are capable of. One thing is for sure, competition in the smartphone industry is heating up. With Apple, Samsung, and other Android manufacturers pushing innovation, Google will need to deliver something truly special with the Pixel 10 series. If they can successfully integrate their new custom chip, improve camera performance, and introduce compelling AI-driven features, the Pixel 10 could finally cement Google's place as a top smartphone manufacturer. The next few months will be crucial in determining how the Pixel 10 stacks up against the competition. The Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Pixel releases yet. With a fully customized processor, a new ISP, and significant performance improvements, it's clear that Google is aiming high. If these changes live up to expectations, the Pixel 10 could be a serious game changer in the smartphone industry. Are you excited for the Pixel 10 series? What features do you want to see? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.